Is it time to buy or sell DocuSign stock? In this video, we're diving deep into DocuSign. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 4th of September, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of September 2025, our system has ranked DocuSign as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 3.29. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 0.45%. This equates to an average return of 0.22% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases are likely. The trend over the past 3 months suggests a potential decrease of approximately 6.17% in the next 3 months, with possible outcomes ranging from a decline of 19.30% to an increase of 7.28%. In examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 5.39%. According to our estimates, the stock's performance could vary between a decrease of 16.82% and an increase of 53.69% over the coming year. This would translate to a future price ranging from $63.41 to $117.18. Our latest daily update for DocuSign features the headline Green Day on Thursday for DocuSign. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 4th of September, 2025, the DocuSign stock price increased by 0.448%, rising from $75.90 to $76.24. During this trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.11%, ranging from a low of $74.06 to a high of $76.36. The price has shown upward movement in 6 out of the last 10 days and has appreciated by 7.24% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with 3 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 5 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $413.24 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $107.86, while the lowest was $54.32. Currently, the price stands at 29.32%, or $31.62, below the 52-week high, and 75.78%, or $238.52, below the all-time high recorded on August 10, 2021, when the price soared to $314.76. DocuSign reported its fiscal second quarter results after the close on the 4th of September, surpassing expectations for both earnings and revenue. The generally accepted accounting principles earnings per share came in at 92 cents, compared to the consensus estimate of 84 cents. However, this is a decrease from 97 cents a year ago, indicating year-over-year margin pressure even as the quarter exceeded forecasts. The stock experienced a rally following the announcement, recovering some recent declines, as analysts who had anticipated a miss adjusted their near-term estimates. In the short term, this positive performance and the subsequent after-hours increase should foster momentum. Factors such as reduced execution risk, the possibility of upward estimate revisions, and short covering may drive the share price higher in the coming days. Investors will focus on updated guidance, subscription growth, and retention metrics for further validation. In the long run, recognition as a leader in artificial intelligence-enabled contract lifecycle management enhances DocuSign's strategic position. If the company can translate that leadership into sustainable annual recurring revenue growth and improve its margins, the stock could be reevaluated at a higher level. However, ongoing margin erosion, competitive pressures, and the execution of enterprise contract lifecycle management remain risks that could limit upside potential over time. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned DOCU a buy grade along with a hold action. On Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, RBC Capital reported a sector perform grade for DOCU, also with a hold action. On the same day, Wells Fargo provided DOCU with an underweight grade, accompanied by a hold action. Additionally, on that Friday, Needham issued a hold grade for DOCU, maintaining a hold action. Just the day before, on Thursday, the 5th of September, 2024, Piper Sandler rated DOCU as neutral with a hold action. Analysts have assigned DocuSign stock a general buy rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is viewed as a strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for DocuSign. Today, the chart reveals mostly positive signals. The DocuSign stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. There is also a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be expected at $75.08 and $74.73. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 11, 2025, and so far, it has appreciated by 13.55%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 18 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 18 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 56 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for DocuSign. DocuSign finds support from accumulated volume at $75.28. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with robust trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $2.30 between its high and low, which is approximately 3.11%. In the last week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 2.71%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for DocuSign, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company or indicate that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 4th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 84 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for DocuSign. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for DocuSign is at $77.04. If you do not already own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who currently hold the stock, this could be a significant level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, DocuSign faces its first support level at $75.28. If this support level holds, it may serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for DocuSign from multiple analyst sources is buy. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 29th of August, 2025, Salem Enrique T. conducted an insider purchase of 729 shares of common stock. On the 29th of August, 2025, Salem Enrique T. conducted an insider sale of 729 shares of restricted stock units. On the 29th of August, 2025, Mars Anna conducted an insider purchase of 729 shares of common stock. On the 29th of August, 2025, Mars Anna conducted an insider sale of 729 shares of restricted stock units. On the 29th of August, 2025, Briggs Teresa conducted an insider purchase of 729 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 23.227. Overall, insiders purchased 801,734 shares and sold 508,848 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $72.58, representing a decline of 4.81%. The stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, which indicates a medium level of risk. Additionally, a buy signal has been generated from a pivot bottom identified 17 days ago. Is DocuSign stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are looking positive. Despite the stock being in a downward trend, it appears that the current level may present a buying opportunity with a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 5th of September, we anticipate that DocuSign will open lower by approximately 687 hundredths and begin trading at $75.55. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Please do not base your investment choices solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.